Hey, fifth grade, it's Mr. Onken, and today we are going to look at the faces, edges, and vertices of prisms. Faces are the flat surfaces of the figures. Edges are what connect the two faces. And a vertex is just another word for a corner. That's where two edges meet each other.
And the plural form of that, plural means more than one, is vertices, right, Mr. Onken?
Yes, thank you, Ms. Walsh. So if you want to pause your video now and trace one face, run your finger along one edge, and point to one vertice, that would be a good choice.
Now we wait for you to return, and we're going to wait a long time, so you're forced to pause.
All right, I'll trust that you all pause because you're also good at following directions. Now we're going to count faces, edges, and vertices on a rectangular prism and a triangular prism.
Mr. Onken, how do we know that's a rectangular prism?
Because it has a rectangle on top and the bottom. A triangular prism has a triangle on the top and the bottom.
Thanks, Mr. Onken.
So, for our rectangular prism, this is a special rectangular prism called a cube. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 faces. Oh, that marker is not very good. There we go. And then our edges, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then 9, 10, 11, 12. And for our vertices, or our corners, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Mr. Onken, do you think you could draw a picture and show us how you'd count it on a picture, since we won't all have a cube at home?
This picture?
That would work.
Okay. For the faces, I counted all of the flat surfaces on it. So I counted around 1, 2, 3, 4, and then 5 and 6 are the tops and bottoms. For my edges, I was looking for places where our faces meet, and those are 1, 2, 3, 4 on top, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the bottom, and then we have 4 edges that also connect our top and bottom for a total of 12.
That made it way more clear. Thanks, Mr. Onken.
Okay. And our vertices, that's where all of our edges connect. We have 4 of those on the top and 4 of those on the bottom. So now we'll look at our triangular prism. Don't have a picture for this one.
Do you want me to help you draw one?
Sure.
All right.
Should pause it. Are you gonna switch?
Just to draw the triangular prism.
All right, Miss Walsh is gonna draw us a triangular prism now.
So you just draw, if you're bored, you draw 2 triangles. You're going to want to make this and this one a dotted line, because they're inside the prism. And then the dotted line connecting there. It's kind of messy, but it does the job. Maybe a little bit clearer right here.
If you've ever had a Toblerone chocolate bar,
That's a good way to think of it.
you'll know what this shape looks like.
Yes. Or a tent.
Or a tent. All right.
Perfect.
Do you want to count faces,
Sure.
edges, and vertices?
All right, I'm gonna first show you on the shape, and then I'll show you on the diagram, because that's what you're gonna have at home. So faces are the flat parts, so 1, and I'm gonna use a marker to mark it, just because I think that's easier. 1, 2, 3 on the sides, and then I'm gonna do the top, where our tent opening would be. 4, 5. So I'm gonna do my edges, and I'm gonna mark it with the marker again. 1, 2, 3, and we go to the top, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 edges. And then my vertices are my points, so I'm just gonna poke my finger. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
All right, nice job. Thank you, Ms. Walsh. So you guys will have a chance to practice some of this with other shapes.